welcome to my channel Gmzone. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn an image to cartoon, which some people have been looking for ways to learn these particular skills, and which I'm going to be giving out these skills out free without charging and learning it, giving you guys the step-by-step guideline in order to how to do it for free. And which some people have been paying some amount of money to get this course done to achieve this goal, but I'm going to begin out for free. So we'll go into right now, but I'm going to list those three apps that we are going to use as we start the learning. Number one is called Remini, number two is called Snapseed, and the third one, sorry, is called Sketchbook Autodesk Sketchbook, and which is not going to take much of our time to get because I've just mentioned three apps. So it's not hard at all. It's very easy to turn an image to cartoon. So we go into right now. We start the process.
So I said earlier that we are going to use the app. One is Remini, one is Snapseed, the third one is Sketchbook. And the first one we are going to use is Remini. Each of them and everyone has a function, but the first one you have to use is Remini, then the next one is Snapseed, and the third one is Sketchbook, where we have the real main work there. So we go to Remini right now. So we choose an image. The image we want to use. I'll choose this. So I'll click on enhance. You can click on enhance for anyone, but I'll go with enhance. So constructing, still increasing. Here is before, this is after. So I put it to after, and I click on the download button. I'm going to download it. So wait, then you click on done. So we will check our gallery to check. We need to check if it is done. Yeah, here is it. Here is the one we just worked on. This is it. This is the one we just worked on. So we go to Snapseed right now. Snapseed. So Snapseed, we go to this is the image. So this is the image, the one we just finished from what we call Remini. So go to tools, click on details. Then on the details, you see, check your hub. You see structure within 0, then you scroll it down, make sure it is in 100. Then now click this one in the middle here, then go to sharpening, then now move it. Check sharpening if it is in 0. Once it's in 0, move it to make sure it's not less than 50. Okay, you click on this mark, done, apply it. And after doing that, you export it, then click on share. So instead of moving to Sketchbook, we're just going to send it directly to Sketchbook through this Snapseed. Yeah. So now Sketchbook. So now it's in Sketchbook. You see here, this thing that is up here. You have one. There are different tools. The first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. Is the fifth one you're going to click on. So here is it. Once you click on the fifth one that is up, or this tab that is up here, click on the fifth one. Then once we have click on the fifth, now click on the layer. This layer that has picture. This layer. Now click on duplicate here. And after click on the duplicate, the one that is down here, you now click on the eye to cancel the eye. So that's just it. Then after we've done that, you just come to this one that is down here. You just click on this place. So you click on this one here. Then we'll now go to brush. Choose smudge brush. It's already on smudge brush. And after you've chosen the smudge brush, go to settings. Make sure that your flow is in 8. Make sure that the strength is in 1. This size is just about the size of the brush. So you can control it from here. See it? You can control the brush size from here. So now use your two hands to move close the image. Then now start using your small brush on it. It's too big. You can use this arrow to go back if you make a mistake. You decrease it. So you start using your smudge brush on it on your image. So that's how it will go. You smudge everywhere you want to change. You smudge everywhere. So just have to be fast with it. Just reduce our brush is too big. So that's how you do it continuously to smudge everywhere you have to. Just focus on what you are doing, don't let that distract you. Okay. So continue to do that. Continue to do that. You make sure you smudge everywhere. Your skin, you smudge your skin. With our brush. Okay. Okay, I'm going on this until I need to. It does also. Almost done. Decrease the bag. Our smudge brush. Can you see that? It's smudging everywhere. So being able to smudge everywhere, you can see that how good it is. It's good looking, right? So we smudge this place too. So we smudge all this place also. We smudge the mouth. Smudge the mouth. So smudge here too. So it's good looking, right? Okay. Let us smudge the air. We just reduce the flow of it. Just put it to 2. So not smooth, like the flow will not be too much, but the smudge will work on it a little bit. So get it like just that way. So that is it. Just smudge the clothes. Yeah, crazy. Smudge this. No, it's too big. Let me decrease the brush a little bit. Okay. Yeah. So smudge the clothes also. So I'll be able to smudge everywhere we have to. So now what we are going to do, we are going to click on our layer. You see, I already told you guys the fifth one up here that we are going to click on it. So you click on it. So I'm going to do that. Clean the overlap places. So just continue to clean the overlap places. So you continue to do that. See the heights to clean the overlap places. Clean the overlap places. Clean the overlap places. So that's just how to do it. So it's the same way you clean the overlap places, and you can as well clean color the background the way you want. So I've just choosing I taught you guys how to easily turn an image to cartoon look alike. So this is it. You can make different things different from this entirely. So that's how it is. So let us save our work. Let's save our work. Save current. So that is how to turn an image. So I'm teaching you guys this process, then you can continue to upgrade yourself through this process. Thank you.